Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
the Enrique Iglesias 2017 tour, where FOH engineer Brad Divins and monitor engineer Eddie Kaipo capture the excitement of this successful outing and bring it to thousands of fans worldwide. We also check in on Brad Paisley's Weekend Warrior tour, where sound image, FOH mixer Kevin Freeman, monitor engineer Mark Gould, and crew take a huge JBL VTX rig on the road. This month's Install Spotlight looks at recent Performing Arts Center and theater projects, each with unique solutions to audio issues.
our buyer's guide this month focuses on
Custom IEM earpieces with models for every need and budget. Check that out. We also present the highlights of last month's AES show in New York, focusing on new products for live sound applications. In light of the recent Las Vegas shootings, The Safety Factor offers advice on dealing with active shooter situations. It's a must-read. And we review Shure's Axient Digital Wireless and check out QSC's new K-Series speakers.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.